Are you tired of that sinking feeling when your bank account hits zero just days after payday? Do you ever wonder where all your money went? If you're living paycheck to paycheck and feel like you'll never get ahead, you're not alone. The good news: it doesn't have to be this way. I'm going to share a complete 3-step budgeting method that will help you take control of your money, end the financial stress, and finally start building a life where you feel secure. This isn't just a basic overview. This is a deep dive into the what, the why, and the how of smart money management. The first rule of budgeting is to stop thinking about what you have to give up and start thinking about awareness. Before you change a single thing, for 1 week, or even better, a full month, you're going to track every single dollar you spend. That morning latte, the gas for your commute, that Netflix subscription, the unplanned pizza night, everything. The purpose of this step is to find out where your money is actually going, not where you think it's going. You can do this in a simple notebook, a free Excel sheet, or a free app like Mint, or You Need a Budget, YNAB. Don't worry about being perfect. Just be brutally honest with yourself. This is your aha moment. It's where you'll discover all the hidden small expenses you didn't even know were draining your account. Now that you know where your money is going, let's talk about where you want it to go. This is the most important step: finding your why. Many people hate budgeting because it feels restrictive. But what if we didn't call it a budget? What if we called it a plan to achieve your goal? Your budget is the roadmap to your dreams. Maybe your why is paying off that nagging credit card debt so you can finally breathe. Maybe it's building a $1,000 emergency fund so you're not one unexpected bill away from a crisis. Or maybe it's simply having enough money to go on that vacation you've always dreamed of. Take a moment to write down your why. Keep it somewhere you can see it every day. This motivation is what will keep you going when it gets tough. This is your mental shield against every impulse purchase. Now that you have your why and a clear picture of your spending, it's time for a simple, actionable plan. We're going to use the 50-30-20 rule. This rule is a guideline, not a strict law. It's a fantastic starting point for almost anyone. 50% for needs. Half of your income goes to your needs. These are the essentials you can't live without. Think rent or mortgage, utility bills, groceries, gas, and minimum debt payments. This is the foundation of your financial security. 30% of your income is for your wants. This is your spending money for things you enjoy. This includes eating out, shopping for clothes, your Netflix subscription, or a night out with friends. This makes your budget sustainable because you're not giving up everything you love. 20% for savings and debt. This is the most crucial part. A full 20% of your income goes directly towards your financial goals. This is where you pay off extra debt, build your emergency fund, or contribute to your 401k or IRA. Remember your why? This 20% is how you make it happen. Budgeting isn't just about math, it's about psychology. One of the biggest mistakes people make is trying to be perfect from day one. You're going to have slip-ups, and that's okay. The key is to get back on track. Another common mistake is trying to follow someone else's budget. Your budget needs to work for your life, your income, and your goals. Mindful spending is a powerful tool. Before you make a purchase, ask yourself, is this aligned with my why? If the answer is no, it's a lot easier to walk away. So, there you have it. The complete method to stop living paycheck to paycheck. Your first step on this journey is simple. Track everything. Find your why. Start applying the 50-30-20 rule. The truth is, budgeting isn't a magic trick. It's a skill you build over time. It requires discipline and consistency. But the result is a life with less stress and more freedom. If you found this video helpful and you're ready to start your financial journey, hit that subscribe button. I'll be sharing a new video every week to help you master your money. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your biggest money goal right now? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.